Israel is known for having one of the most advanced defense systems in the world. At the center of this defense is something called the Iron Dome. It's not a physical dome. It's a powerful missile shield, designed to protect cities and people from rockets, missiles, and flying threats. The Iron Dome was developed by Israel and became operational in 2011. It was built with help from the United States, after years of attacks from Gaza, where short-range rockets would rain down on Israeli towns like Sderot, Ashkelon, and others. So how does it work? The Iron Dome is made up of three main parts. Radar system. This detects incoming rockets the moment they are launched. Battle management unit. It quickly calculates the rocket's speed, direction, and likely target. If it's going to hit an open field or the sea, the system may choose to ignore it. But if it's headed for a city or a populated area, it goes into action. Interceptor launchers. These fire special missiles that fly directly toward the incoming rocket and explode it in the air, before it can hit its target. The system is extremely fast. Within seconds, it can spot a rocket and fire an interceptor missile. The explosion usually happens high in the sky, far from civilians. And it's been very effective. Over the years, the Iron Dome has intercepted thousands of rockets. Its success rate is usually over 85 to 90%, which is considered amazing in modern warfare. But even a strong system has its limits. In April 2024, the world watched something shocking. Iran launched a massive attack on Israel. This was the first time Iran directly fired hundreds of missiles and drones from its own territory toward Israel, no longer just using proxy groups like Hezbollah or Hamas. So how did Iran try to overcome the Iron Dome? They used a strategy called saturation. That means, if you want to break a shield, flood it. Iran launched over 300 projectiles, including cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, and explosive drones, at the same time. The idea was simple: overwhelm the system. Fire so many rockets and drones at once that the Iron Dome and other defenses wouldn't be able to shoot them all down. And for the first time, it worked partially. While Israel's Iron Dome and other systems, like David's Sling, Arrow, and Patriot batteries, intercepted the majority of the incoming threats, some missiles got through. One missile struck a military airbase in southern Israel. Damage was reported. Injuries were reported. Sirens went off across the country. Why did it happen? Because every missile defense system has limits. The Iron Dome can only fire a certain number of interceptors at a time. The more targets come in at once, the more stress it puts on the radar, the operators, and the interceptor inventory. Another factor: drones. Iran didn't just use missiles. They sent dozens of slow-moving drones, which flew at different altitudes. These are harder to track all at once. Some were decoys. Others were real threats. Mixing drones with missiles creates confusion and delays reactions. So what does this mean? It means even powerful systems like the Iron Dome can be stretched. It means that quantity, firing hundreds of threats at once, can start to challenge quality, even high-tech defense. But it also shows something else: Israel's multi-layer defense worked together. It wasn't just Iron Dome. It was also Arrow 3, which intercepted ballistic missiles outside the Earth's atmosphere. It was David's Sling, built for medium-range threats. And it was Patriot missiles and fighter jets that helped intercept drones. Also, the US, the UK, France, and Jordan reportedly helped defend Israeli airspace. Fighter jets and radar systems in the region joined forces. So, while Iran's attack was large and intense, and while some missiles landed, most of the attack was stopped. But the message is clear. The Iron Dome is powerful, but not invincible. Iran showed it could challenge Israel directly. It showed it could coordinate drones, missiles, and surprise tactics. And it gave the world a preview of what a larger, regional war could look like. Israel is now reviewing and upgrading its defenses. More interceptor missiles are being produced. New systems, like laser weapons, are being tested to bring down drones cheaply and quickly. Because in modern warfare, defense is just as important as attack. And in the skies over the Middle East, The next war may be decided not just by who fires first, but by who can protect their people better and longer.